and Win is a brand known among other things for its boxes to assemble home computers, often with somewhat exotic touches and forms different from conventional ones. A good example is its latest creation, the A1 series, which comes with the intention of persuading us to get a compact computer, for example in the form of HTPC and Mini-ITX size. With total dimensions of 273 x 216 x 355.5 mm, it is made of aluminum and tempered glass on one of its side faces. It has an internal volume of 20 liters, allowing to install graphics cards up to 30 cm in length. It also has USB 3.0 and HD audio connectors along with two 2.5-inch bays to install either mechanical or SSD hard drives. As for cooling, it supports 120 mm fans in the rear and 2x 120 mm in the bottom. In addition, it comes with a factory-installed 600-watt 80-plus bronze power supply.